Hi children, and welcome to another session of accountancy with me, Vishwanath sir. Today we shall of course try and as far as possible this week strengthen our journal entries, because that is the main concept of your entire accounting systems. So if your journal entries are strengthened, then you shall not have a problem. So today, this week and today, we shall be basically recap about what we have done earlier. Plus, I shall teach you a few more concepts whereby which you shall be completely clear with your entries. As CBSE has announced, the CGST and SGST, the sales tax has been omitted from the syllabus. So we do not have to lay emphasis on that particular thing. The ones which we are going to omit will be given to you by me later on. Okay. So let's start off with a simple thing. Started business with cash rupees 20,000. You've done this before. We are just having a revision. Started business with cash rupees 20,000. Okay. So what are the two accounts which is involved? The two accounts which is involved is cash and capital. Cash is a real account. Cash comes in. Cash is debit. Capital is a personal account. He is the giver. Credit the giver. Okay, simple. Every debit has a corresponding credit. Please follow the basic principles of your debit and credit, the rules of debit and credit. Either you follow the modern rules or you follow the traditional rules. In both the places, you shall not make any mistakes. So the journal entry for this, I would write it as cash account debit to capital $20,000 and $20,000. Of course, follow it up with the narration. The emphasis on journal entry is most because the other chapters, once you start doing, finishes off very fast if your knowledge of journal entry is strong. Okay, so this is your entry. Cash capital, cash is debit and capital is credit. जैसे आप देखते हो यहाँ पर जो एंट्री दिया है, आपने बिजनेस शुरू किया है कैश के साथ 20,000. जो दो अकाउंट इन्वॉल्व है वो एक कैश अकाउंट है और दूसरा कैपिटल अकाउंट है. कैश रियल अकाउंट है, पैसा अंदर आ रहा है, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. कैपिटल पर्सनल अकाउंट है, ओनर बिजनेस को पैसा दे रहा है, ही इज अ गिवर, सो क्रेडिट. तो आपका जो जर्नल एंट्री है कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट 20,000 और उसके बाद आपको नरेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस वाज योर स्टार्ट व्हिच वी डिड. Just modifying this a little bit. Started business with machinery. Started business with machinery. Rupees 30,000. Okay. So again, we have to point out what are the two accounts which is involved. The two accounts which is involved is one is machinery account and the other is capital account. Okay. Machinery is a real account, comes in debit what comes in. Capital account is a personal account, he is giving the business, he is a giver, so credit. Okay, fine. So the two accounts which is involved is machinery and capital. दो अकाउंट जो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं वो मशीनरी अकाउंट और कैपिटल अकाउंट है. मशीनरी अकाउंट रियल अकाउंट है, अंदर आता है डेबिट. कैपिटल अकाउंट पर्सनल अकाउंट है, ये बिजनेस को मशीनरी दे रहा है तो उसका क्रेडिट हो जाएगा. तो जर्नल एंट्री जो है, द जर्नल एंट्री इज मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट, मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल 30,000. Okay, follow it up with the narration. Machinery account debit to capital account 30,000. Okay, so this was your second entry for today. Let us take the next entry. Started business with cash rupees 10,000 and machinery rupees 5,000. Okay, started business with cash rupees 10,000 and machinery 5,000. The accounts which are involved: cash account, machinery account and capital account. Okay, these are the accounts which is involved. Cash is a real account, comes in debit. Machinery is a real account, comes in debit. Capital is a personal account, giver, credit. Okay, तो आपका जो तीन अकाउंट यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं वो है कैश, मशीनरी और कैपिटल. कैश रियल अकाउंट comes in debit, machinery real account comes in debit, capital personal account है, giver credit. Okay, so what would be the journal entry for this? The journal entry for this will be cash account debit 10,000, machinery account debit 5,000, to capital account 15,000. Okay, follow it up with the narration. Fine. So what have we done so far? We have seen that these two are the items which are given to the business and it is given by the owner. The owner is a personal account, he is a giver, so credit. Okay, and these two items are coming into the business. Okay, so we'll take one step ahead from here. Started business with cash rupees 40,000, machinery rupees 30,000 and furniture rupees 20,000. Okay, so what are the accounts which is involved? The accounts which is involved, one is cash, machinery, furniture and capital. So there are four accounts which is involved. Cash is a real account, comes in debit. Machinery is also a real account, comes in debit. Furniture is also a real account, comes in debit. While as capital is a personal account, he is the giver, so it is credit. Okay, fine. So these are the three accounts which is involved. Fine. So let us write the journal entry for this. The journal entry for this is cash account debit, machinery account debit, furniture account debit to capital, okay, cash is 40,000, machinery is 30,000 and furniture is 20,000. Okay, capital is the addition of all this is 90,000. Follow it up with the narration. Okay, so this is your entry where these accounts are involved. We go further and experiment with a few other things. Started business with loan from Ruby rupees 50,000. Started business with loan from Ruby rupees 50,000. The two accounts which is involved, one is cash and the other is loan from Ruby. Okay, now here the proprietor is not giving, he is borrowing it from someone else and putting it into the business. Cash is a real account, comes in debit. Loan from Ruby, Ruby is a personal account, give a credit. Okay, so the journal entry for this is cash account debit 50,000 to loan from Ruby 50,000. Okay, follow it up with the narration. So the two accounts which is involved here is cash and loan from Ruby. Cash is a real account, Ruby is a personal account. So cash is debit because it comes into the business and Ruby is the giver, so credit. Either you write Ruby's loan account or you write loan from Ruby. Both of them are correct. Follow it up with the narration. Fine. So we go a little bit ahead from here. Okay, started business with cash rupees 20,000 and loan from Rohan rupees 30,000. Okay, so your own money which you have put in this, your own money, this is what the proprietor has put and this is what the proprietor has taken from outside. Okay, fine. So these are the two accounts which is involved, or rather it will be three. First it's cash account, then it is Rohan's loan account, okay, and then it is capital account. Okay, cash is a real account, comes in debit. Rohan's loan account is a personal account, he is a giver, credit. Capital account is a personal account, he is a giver, it's credit. Okay, fine. Now your journal entry will be cash account debit. I'll write the amount later on to Rohan's loan account to capital. Okay, basically capital is the amount which you are putting into the business, that is 20,000. Rohan is giving us 30,000. Together the business receives 50,000. Okay, fine. Together the business receives 50,000. Okay, so this was what you need to know, that this is money which is coming from outside and this is money which you are putting of your own, which the proprietor is putting. If the proprietor puts, then it is capital. Fine. So this is what you have to know. You can have a number of combinations in this, where I put machinery, furniture, cash, loan from outsiders. Fine. So hoping that you have understood these concepts properly, it's time that you take down your lockdown assignment. Number 1, started business with cash rupees 40,000. Second, started business with equipment rupees 30,000. Next, started business with cash rupees 80,000 and machinery rupees 45,000. Fourth, started business with cash rupees 90,000. Furniture rupees 75,000 and machinery rupees 1,20,000. Next, started business with loan from Rita rupees 90,000. Started business with cash rupees 40,000 and loan from Mahesh rupees 90,000. Okay, so this is your lockdown assignment. Okay, so please strengthen your initial entries, and these initial entries will help you a lot. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.